Track uptime and downtime with Availability Summary Report. Is tracking availability across monitors a challenge? Without a consolidated view, it's hard to track outages or identify availability gaps. The Site24x7 Availability Summary Report solves this by giving a complete picture of your resources availability. Here's how you can access the Availability Summary Report in Site24x7. First, log into your Site24x7 account. Go to Reports and click Availability Summary Report. From here, select individual monitors or filter by tags. Customize the availability summary by setting time period, business hours, and locations, and choose to include or exclude maintenance in uptime calculations. The report sections differ based on your selection as a monitor, group, or type. For now, let's look at the monitor case. Availability Summary shows group metrics across all selected monitors. Easily identify patterns and anomalies with the availability percentage trend. The downtime report shows how often outages occurred during the selected time frame. Identify whether an issue is global or location-specific. Understand all configured profile settings that were applied. Access Ask ZIA directly from the Availability Summary Report. In the top right corner, click Ask ZIA to get overall insights of the report from the ZIA chatbot. For example, ZIA can show how many monitors in a group went down last week, along with the impacted monitors and their outage duration. Use the Share This option to publish, export, email, or schedule the report. See it all at a glance with the Availability Summary Report. Thank you and happy monitoring.